Alright, this is Scott with AAQUICK Plumbing. We're here at 425 Chapel Ridge. Like I said, we're out here cabling it. They can only get so far from the yard trap going in. I'm out here with my camera. I'm going to go ahead and inspect it and see what they got. I'll be right back. Alright, so I got my camera running towards the building here. As we see, it looks like this line has collapsed or something. Some kind of heavy, bad shifting has gone down here. Definitely some kind of breaking line or something. As you see, they were able to break through this piece of pipe. It looks like a piece of pipe or something. Definitely gonna locate it, mark it, recommend it to be repaired. Be right back. Alright, so I went ahead and located, marked this out here, right in front of the trap. It's about 8 feet deep, 7.5 feet deep. Yep. So we'll go ahead and run it out towards the main real quick, just to make sure everything's good out there. But be right back. Alright, so we got our camera ran out towards the main out here. About 20 feet out. Go ahead and pull it back. And here we are at the trap. So everything out there looks good. Like I said, I'm going to recommend that to be repaired here by the trap. Definitely is some kind of collapse going on. So I'll run back in there and show you one more time. Alright, yeah, I keep getting stuff all over my camera head. I can't see it real good like I did when I first showed up. Definitely it looked like the clay pipe is collapsed in there. Became very offset, and definitely going to recommend it to be repaired. Thank you.